Hello everyone, today I want to explain about passive and stative passive. There's a difference between passive and stative passive. In this video, the first thing I would like to explain about passive. Passive is when you make the object of an action into the subject of a sentence. In other words, and in Indonesia, you just need the in a sentences uh, to make a passive sentence. The form is to be am or is plus past participle. Example, active sentences. I will clean the house every Monday. And the passive sentences is the house will be cleaned by me every Monday. In active, the means is aku akan membersihkan rumah setiap Senin. Sedangkan untuk passive sentence, rumah akan dibersihkan olehku setiap Senin. You can see what I'm saying before. You just need D in the passive sentence. It, I think it's a very easy, and you just to uh, remember there are tenses you cannot use in a passive sentence, such as perfect, present perfect continuous or progressive, past perfect continuous or progressive, future and future perfect continuous or progressive, because these tenses are very rarely used in the passive sentence. And you just need to remember that in passive sentence, only verbal sentence that can uh, you use to make as a passive sentence. In the nominal sentence, you can use as a passive sentence, such as in the variable like my sister played violin every Saturday. You can make it as a passive sentence, but in nominal, like an example, my sister is tall. It cannot you use as a passive sentence or turn as a passive sentence. And the second thing under last is a stative passive. So what is stative passive and how to use stative passive? Stative passive is indicate a status or condition which may exist over a period of time. So in another word, uh, you can use passive stative passive when you already done doing something. The form is to be and plus past participle. Uh, like example, active sentence, Ang broke the window. And the passive sentence is the window was broken by Ang. And the stative passive is the window is broken. Uh, you can see in this stative passive, the window is broken is already done, or the condition is uh, exists over a period of time. And you can see that this in this stative passive there are a very different with a passive sentence. Stative passive is a four sentences that already done, and passive sentence is you are will do something or doing something at the moment. And then in this stative passive, in the first thing you need to understand is no action is taking place and the action happened earlier, and then there's no by press because the by is only for passive sentence, and then the for is the past participle function as an adjective. I think it is very easy to you to understand because passive and stative passive is very different. So I hope you understand about this passive and stative passive. Uh, Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.